a mail merge from Excel to Word. Watch the video carefully and follow its Step 1. Prepare your Excel data. Ensure your Excel data is clean and organized. Each row should represent a single record. Column headers should be clear and concise. 2. Open your Word document. Open the Word document where you want to insert the data. 3. Start the mail merge. Go to the Mailings tab. Click Start Mail Merge and select Letters. Select Recipients. Click Select Recipients. Choose Use an existing list. Browse to your Excel file and select it. Choose the correct sheet if your Excel file has multiple sheets. 5. Insert. Merge fields. Place your cursor where you want the data to appear in your Word document. Go to the Mailings tab and click Insert Merge Field. Select the desired field from the list of fields in your Excel data source. Repeat this step for each piece of data you want to insert. 6. Preview and print. Click Preview Results to see how your merged documents will look. Make any necessary adjustments to the formatting or content. When you're ready, click Finish and Merge and choose your desired output option, e.g., print, email, create documents. Add a field code. Right-click on the Merge field and select Toggle Field Codes. You'll see something like Merge Field Amount. Modify the field code to format the number. Merge Field Amount Nano. This will display the number with commas as thousands separators. Merge Field Amount AMA. This will display the number with commas and two